New Canada Employment Insurance Rules effective April 2025. Starting April 2025, the Government of Canada has rolled out a series of temporary yet significant reforms to the Employment Insurance (EI) program. These changes aim to provide enhanced financial relief and faster access to benefits for workers affected by economic instability, including the impact of foreign tariffs, rising inflation, and global market uncertainty. The updates are part of a broader strategy to ensure the EI system better reflects the needs of today's labor force and economic challenges. The most immediate change is the removal of the one-week waiting period for all new EI claims. This means that claimants will no longer have to go without support during their first week of unemployment. Instead, they can receive payments right away, helping reduce financial anxiety and allowing families to stabilize more quickly after job loss. This temporary measure supports the principle that emergency income support should be accessible without delay. Additionally, the government has suspended the treatment of severance, vacation pay, and other termination payments that typically delay EI eligibility. Under normal rules, these payouts are deducted from EI payments, effectively postponing when benefits kick in. With this temporary waiver, claimants can access benefits immediately, regardless of separation payments, giving workers timely and uninterrupted support during a financially vulnerable time. To further expand access, the regional unemployment rates used to calculate eligibility and benefit duration have been increased by 1 percentage point. This adjustment lowers the threshold of insurable hours needed to qualify for EI. Now, no individual will need more than 630 hours of insured work to be eligible for regular EI benefits. This change particularly helps part-time workers, seasonal employees, and those in precarious work who often find it difficult to meet standard thresholds. Benefit durations will also be extended by up to 4 weeks, based on the unemployment rate in a claimant's region. This extension provides a longer runway for individuals actively searching for new employment or participating in training and res-killing programs. In regions more severely impacted by job losses or slower economic recovery, these additional weeks of support are a crucial buffer against long-term financial instability. These reforms are being implemented for a period of 3 to 6 months, depending on how regional economies perform and how the labor market evolves. The government has indicated that it will continue monitoring economic indicators closely and could extend or adapt these measures as required to protect Canadian workers. The rationale behind these reforms is to modernize a benefit system that many argue has been slow to respond to rapid economic shifts. By streamlining access to benefits and expanding eligibility, the government is signaling a shift toward a more agile, inclusive, and humane approach to social safety nets. These temporary measures also give policymakers time to evaluate what long-term changes may be needed to make the EI system more equitable and efficient moving forward. The Canadian workforce is increasingly diverse, including gig workers, contract employees, and those working multiple part-time jobs. These changes acknowledge the economic realities facing today's workers and aim to make sure the system supports them adequately, no matter their employment type or industry. These temporary employment insurance changes, effective April 2025, are designed to address immediate economic hardships facing Canadian workers. By eliminating the one-week waiting period and disregarding severance and vacation pay delays, the government ensures quicker access to financial support. Lowering the required insurable hours to 630 and extending benefit periods by up to 4 weeks opens the door for more Canadians, especially part-time, seasonal, and lower-income workers, to qualify. These updates provide faster, fairer, and more flexible assistance, reflecting a modernized approach to social safety nets during economic downturns. The government may extend or adapt these measures as needed. In summary, these employment insurance updates are a timely and compassionate response to rising economic pressure on Canadian workers. They provide faster access to benefits, reduce red tape, and offer extended coverage during a period of growing uncertainty. While temporary for now, they may influence more permanent reforms in the future. Canada EI Employment Insurance EI Reform 2025 Canada Jobs Canadian Workers EI Changes EI Benefits Job Loss Support EI Waiting Period Severance Rules EI Eligibility EI Update 2025 Income Support Unemployment Help Canadian Economy Worker Relief Canada Support EI Claim Help EI Benefit Extension EI Qualifying Hours Seasonal Workers Job Market Canada. Canada Gov Foreign Tariffs Temporary Changes EI Program, Canada Labour Government Support, Financial Relief Job Security Canada.
Thanks for watching our video. Please hit the button and subscribe the channel.